Hi, my name is Rafał Burchard and you're watching Free Your Mind Therapy. Let me help you to free your mind. Welcome! In today's episode, we're going to talk about the second key to a long and healthy life. Mind to comment, like and subscribe this video below. If you're asking yourself a question, how to be healthy throughout the life, how to live longer and how to be fit, that's the good place for you. You need to watch this. To answer this question, we need to look at the nature around us. Everything is in balance, as we can see, and that's the key. There are 4 cornerstones to have a very long and healthy life. First one is healthy mind, the second, healthy body, the third one is nutrition, and the last one is the nature. In this episode, we're going to talk about the second key to a long and healthy life, which is physical health. We need to remember that mind and body is connected. Whatever you do will affect both of those, mind and the body. Now, mind cannot live without healthy body, and healthy body cannot live without healthy mind. To be healthy at any age, you need to be active. You need to be physically active. It's not only going to the gym and exercise. It's actually challenge yourself at whatever stage you are. If you're younger, you need to challenge yourself on a different level. When you're older, you need to challenge yourself as well on different level. Doesn't mean that you should exercise less or less intensive. It means that you need to choose different exercises. You need to as well mind that the age is just a number. The age is not making you unfit. Being unfit is making you unfit. So if you want to change that, you just need to go out and start doing it. We need to remember when we age, certain activities might not be appropriate. Whatever you did when you were 20 or 30 might not be exactly what you need when you are 40, 50 or older. If you're in your 20s or if you're in your 30s and you're thinking ahead what to do to stay healthy throughout your life, this is a very good moment. So you need to select the exercises that will not affect your physical health in the future. Although I like myself being involved in martial arts, actually in my age this is not the best idea to do at this stage in the same activity and intensity as I was doing this when I was more or less 20-year-old. So now you need to make the decision and you need to think about those activities that actually will help you to stay fit and healthy. So now, practical things, how to stay healthy at any age and as well be healthy, fit at the same time. I have a couple of key points that I would like to share with you. The first one, you need to do something about your cardio. When you're getting older, you cannot really run for 1 hour, 10 miles every day because your body is not going to like it. So what I recommend is to do 10, maybe 20 minutes of cardio, high intensity cardio. I would recommend intervals. Tip number 2, now you need to think about your physical strength. Our body, when you reach number 40, is lowering the production of the testosterone level, which is actually one of the very important hormones for your strength. Third one, core strength. You cannot just refer to lifting heavy equipment. You as well need to work on your core. So we need to think about the core strength at this time because our skeleton must be supported by the core muscles. The best thing for me is to practice yoga or something similar. And of course, the last but not least, I would recommend to do some stretching. With age, you're losing flexibility, so you need to put particular attention to stretches. And again, I would recommend yoga or any form of stretches that would not only stretch your legs, but the whole body. Mind that just going to the gym is not going to make you fitter. Mind that just interacting or doing something is not going to make you fitter. You need to push yourself for a short, intense period of time. But as well at the same time, when you just starting your adventure with exercising, you need to think about that. You need to start slowly and build up. Don't jump straight into a deep water, because that's not going to be pleasant for your body. When you just beginning your adventure with exercises, start slowly and build up. Start slowly and build up. Next time I'm going to talk about the third key to a long and healthy life: nutrition. Mind to comment, like and subscribe my channel, and mind to hit that little notification bell. So what is the key to a long and healthy life? My name is Rafał Burszard and you're watching Free Your Mind Therapy channel, the best place for everyone who wants to make the best use of your mind and body. See you next time!